get your mouth.
Hello. Today I will show how to create a Telegram bot. It's very useful. Stay on and comment for advice or what video should I do. First step, we should open Telegram app, go and write bot father. The Telegram will show us a large list for perfect bot. The tags I will use are new bot, set description, set privacy. New bot tag is more to name the bot and to give a username. Choose a name for your bot. Now, choose a username for your bot, should end with word bot. You will get access to the chat of your bot, and the access of token. Use this token to access the HTTP API. Now make a short description, and enable the privacy. Go at chat, and copy the link of token. Next step, go at website called Telegram Bot API. And try to follow me on video. The code is get me. Second code is get updates, and we will send a message. And the third code is send message. Chat_ID. We will see the message. Thanks for watching. This was part 1. Part 2 will come soon. Comment and don't forget the subscribe button.